Sri Gurubhyo Nama children, welcome to online training initiative Ekalaiva. Already we are discussing about the topic alcohols, phenols and ethers. In the first video, I have told about alcohols. I gave the definition for alcohol. We have seen the functional group of alcohol, general formula, the main classification of alcohols as aliphatic and aromatic alcohols. After that, I told about ethers also. Ethers are compounds having oxygen as a functional group. We have seen the functional group, general formula, and we have seen some, classification also. That is the first video. Today, we are going to discuss about the classification of alcohols based on the type of hybridization. There is another classification of alcohol based on the type of hybridization. Let us see, children. Be ready with your notebook. Okay, I am going to start about the first classification. So, monohydric alcohols. So, they are classified into three main types. Monohydric alcohols, that is alcohols having one OH group. Alcohols having one OH group. So, we can call it as monohydric alcohol. So, these monohydric alcohols are further classified based on the type of hybridization, as we are going to talk about, what is that? Aliphatic alcohols. The next one, allylic alcohol. The other one is aralkyl alcohol. So, monohydric alcohol are further classified into three types. What are they? Aliphatic alcohols, allylic alcohol and aralkyl alcohol. Now we are going to talk about the hybridization. Let us see the hybridization of carbon to which OH group is attached. Okay. First I will start with aliphatic alcohol. Listen here, the very familiar example I am going to give is ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH. Listen here, OH group is attached to the carbon, where carbon has sp3 hybridization. So, here OH is attached to the carbon having sp3 hybridization. Usually, alkanes are saturated compounds. Already you know, they are formed by single bond. Is it not? Wherever single bond is there, we can say that it is saturated. Is it not? So, from these alkanes, we are deriving alkyl groups. Alkyl groups are derived from alkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons where the carbon valencies are satisfied by single covalent bond. Wherever single covalent bond is there between carbon and other atoms, in such a case, the hybridization of carbon is sp3. So, here OH is attached to the carbon, where the hybridization of carbon is sp3 hybridization. Okay. So, here OH is attached to the carbon, where the carbon has sp3 hybridization. Similarly, we are going to talk about other classification as allylic alcohol. The very familiar example, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2OH. What is the name of this compound? Allyl alcohol. What is the name of this compound? Allyl alcohol. So, how do we call this group? This group is called allyl group. So, this group is called allyl group. So, here also OH is attached to the carbon where this carbon is having sp3 hybridization. So here also the hybridization of carbon is sp3. So carbon is having sp3 hybridization. Similarly, there is another classification, aralkyl alcohol. What is aralkyl alcohol? The very familiar example I am going to give as benzyl alcohol. The very familiar example for aralkyl alcohol is benzyl alcohol. What is benzyl alcohol? Actually, a benzene ring will be there. Towards the benzene ring, there will be an alkyl group and OH is attached. So here also OH is attached to the carbon where the hybridization of carbon is sp3. So here the other classification of monohydric alcohol is based on the type of hybridization. So wherever saturated hydrocarbons are there, in such a case the hybridization of carbon will be sp3 because the carbon has single covalent bond with other atoms, so it will have sp3 hybridization. So I have classified based on the hybridization as aliphatic alcohol, allylic alcohol and aralkyl alcohol. So what are aliphatic alcohols? I have given example, ethanol, ethyl group, that ethyl, methyl, propyl, all these are fatty groups. So we can call it as aliphatic alcohol. Alcohol containing bulky groups or fat groups like methyl, ethyl, propyl, isobutyl, tertiary butyl, all these are examples for aliphatic. Here also you can see OH is attached to the carbon where the hybridization of carbon is sp3. Similarly, there is another classification, allylic alcohol. What is allylic alcohol? OH group is attached to the allylic group. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2. This group is called allylic group. Here also OH is attached to the carbon where the hybridization of carbon is sp3. So this again another classification. The next classification we are going to talk about aralkyl alcohol. What is aralkyl? It has got aromatic as well as alkyl group. See, this is aromatic group. So this is alkyl group. So it has got both aromatic as well as alkyl group. Here OH is attached to the alkyl group and alkyl group is attached to the benzene ring. So when OH is attached to the alkyl group, this carbon has sp3 hybridization. So the other classification of monohydric alcohol is based on the type of hybridization. Here on sp3 hybridization there are three classifications: aliphatic alcohol, allylic alcohol, aralkyl alcohol. For aliphatic alcohol I gave example ethanol, whereas for allylic alcohol, allyl alcohol, whereas for aralkyl alcohol I gave benzyl alcohol. So this is one classification. Again these aliphatic alcohols are further classified into aliphatic alcohols. Aliphatic alcohols are further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. Aliphatic alcohols are further classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary, secondary and tertiary. This is again another classification. So what is primary alcohol? When OH, for example, I am going to give an example for primary alcohol, that is CH3, CH2, OH. So here this is an example for primary alcohol. So this is an example for primary alcohol. What is primary alcohol? OH is attached to the primary carbon. OH is attached to the primary carbon. OH is attached to the primary carbon. What is primary carbon? Carbon having two hydrogen atoms. So here OH is attached to the primary carbon. So what is primary carbon? So primary carbon is one where OH is attached to the, what is that, carbon having two hydrogen. So what is primary carbon? Carbon having two hydrogen. Carbon having two hydrogen or one bulky group. Carbon having two hydrogen or one bulky group. Two hydrogen or one bulky group. So we can call that carbon as primary carbon. Carbon having two hydrogen or one bulky group. See here, this carbon is having two hydrogen and it has got one bulky group also. Carbon having two hydrogen or one bulky group. So here I can call this carbon as primary carbon. So OH is attached to the primary carbon here. So it is called as primary alcohol. So what is primary? OH is attached to the primary carbon. What is primary carbon? I told you. Carbon having two hydrogen or carbon having one bulky group. Bulky group, what is bulky group? It can be methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. So here carbon having only one bulky group. So here we can call it as, what is that? Primary alcohol. So OH is attached to the primary carbon. The next one, secondary alcohol. For secondary alcohol, I can write CH3, CHOH, CH3. See the classification. Here OH is attached to the secondary carbon. So OH is attached to the secondary carbon. OH is attached to the secondary carbon. OH is attached to the secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? A carbon which has one hydrogen or two bulky groups. So secondary carbon is one where secondary carbon has one hydrogen. Secondary carbon has one hydrogen or two bulky groups. It will have either one hydrogen or two bulky groups. So here OH is attached to the secondary carbon. This carbon is secondary carbon. Why it is secondary carbon? Carbon is having one hydrogen or carbon having two bulky groups. So OH is attached to the secondary carbon where carbon has one hydrogen or two bulky groups. So we can call it a secondary alcohol. What is the next one? Tertiary alcohol. What is tertiary alcohol? We are going to give example. CH3, 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 OH. Listen here, this is tertiary alcohol. So here OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. So OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. What is tertiary carbon? Carbon having no hydrogen. Tertiary carbon has no hydrogen, but it has three bulky groups. It has three bulky groups. So tertiary carbon is one where it doesn't have hydrogen, but it will have three bulky groups. See, there are three bulky groups. So OH is attached to the tertiary carbon where tertiary carbon is one where it does not have hydrogen or it will have three bulky groups. So this is again another classification. So based on the attachment of OH to primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon, I can classify the alcohol as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. The next one, we are going to talk about allylic alcohol. Already I told you. Allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohols are further classified into three. Allylic alcohols are further classified into three. What are they? Again, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Allylic alcohol again classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. What is primary? I am going to give example. CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2OH. Listen here. OH is attached to the primary carbon. So this carbon is primary carbon. This carbon is primary carbon where carbon has two hydrogen or one bulky group. So we can call it as primary carbon. So we can call it as, what is that? OH is attached to the primary carbon. So we can call it as primary alcohol. So primary alcohol. What is secondary? Again we are going to give example. So for secondary alcohol, I am going to write CH2 double bond CH, single bond C. So it should have only one hydrogen. So towards the other side, there is other bulky group, another bulky group I am including. Towards the other side, we are having OH. Listen here, OH is attached to the secondary carbon. So this carbon is secondary carbon where carbon has one hydrogen or two bulky groups. See here, this carbon has one hydrogen or it has two bulky group. Here one bulky group, here one bulky group. This carbon has got only one bulky group but two hydrogen. So this is secondary alcohol. Under allylic alcohol there is another classification. We are going to see tertiary alcohol where tertiary carbon doesn't have hydrogen. We are going to see now. CH2 double bond CH, single bond C. So there will be three bulky groups. Here one bulky group, here one bulky group. Toward the other side there is OH. So see here, this carbon OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. What is tertiary carbon? Carbon who don't have hydrogen. See this carbon, it doesn't have hydrogen. Is it not? But on the other side you see, it will have three bulky groups. It has got three bulky groups. So carbon doesn't have hydrogen or three bulky groups. We can call it as tertiary carbon. So the other classification is tertiary alcohol. So based on the, what is that, attachment of OH group to the carbon, I can classify the carbon as primary, secondary and tertiary. So under allylic alcohol, I got primary, secondary and tertiary depending upon the attachment of OH to the primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. The next classification, we are going to talk about aralkyl alcohol. Aralkyl alcohol. Already we have seen about aralkyl, I told you. It will have benzene ring as well as aliphatic group. Fat groups also will be there. It will have methyl, ethyl group like that. Along with that, there will be a benzene ring. Okay. Again, this aralkyl alcohol can be further classified into three. What are the three main classifications here? One is primary, second one is secondary, the third one is tertiary. Again, these aralkyl alcohols are classified into primary, secondary and tertiary. Under primary, we are going to give, I am going to give one example. What is the example I am going to write? Benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. So it is a primary alcohol. Let me see. So a benzene ring will be there and towards the benzene ring there will be an alkyl group and OH is attached to the, what is that? Alkyl group. See, listen here. OH is attached to the primary carbon. So what type of carbon is this? Primary carbon. Why it is primary carbon? I told you. Carbon having two hydrogen or one bulky group. So this carbon has two hydrogen and one bulky group. So we can call it as primary carbon. What is the other classification? Under secondary, I can give example as benzene ring. Okay. Carbon, so what is that? Hydrogen, it will have only one hydrogen. Towards the other side, it will have one CH3 and towards the other side you will have OH. Listen here. OH is attached to the secondary carbon. What type of carbon is this? Secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? Carbon having one nitrogen or carbon having two bulky groups. See this carbon, this is having only one nitrogen and there are two bulky groups. Here one bulky group and here another bulky group. So we can call it as secondary alcohol. What is a tertiary? We are going to talk about tertiary, where OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. So what is a tertiary carbon? It doesn't have hydrogen. So all the three sides it will have bulky group. So all the three sides it will have bulky group. So we can call this as the tertiary because OH is attached to the tertiary carbon. So what is tertiary carbon? Tertiary carbon doesn't have hydrogen but it will have three bulky groups. So this doesn't have hydrogen but it has got three bulky groups. Here one bulky group, here one bulky group, this is another bulky group. So it is a tertiary alcohol and tertiary carbon. So in this video I have explained the classification of alcohol based on the type of hybridization. In the previous case I told about sp3 hybridization. Based on that I classified the alcohols as aliphatic, allylic and aralkyl. Again aliphatic has been classified as primary, secondary and tertiary, and allylic alcohol can be further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. Similarly I have talked towards the end I told about aralkyl alcohol further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. If you like this video, you please click the subscribe button. You will get the latest updates of our online lessons. Thank you.